Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about basic conditional formatting in Excel. We have five topics. I will tell you about what is conditional formatting, highlight cells rule demo, color scales demo, data bars demo, icon sets. Firstly, what is conditional formatting? Conditional formatting helps us really analyze data by automatically highlighting important values. Here I have created simple table of students, names and their marks. Now we will apply conditional formatting to analyze this data really. I have selected the whole column. Now I go to home, okay, and click on conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and there you can see different options. Firstly I will tell you about the greater than rules. uh, Highlight cells greater than, I set 75 and I will give it to a green color. Okay, you can see we have two students, Aisha and Sam, 85 and 90 marks that are above than greater than 75. So you can see that marks greater than 75 are automatically highlighted. Now I will highlight marks less than 40. We have a different column, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, less than 45. Okay, give the red color. You can see only Priya has marks less than 45, that is 38. I choose red color. Now low marks are highlighted in red automatically. You can separate the passing students from the students who fail. Now I will apply a color scale. Again, select the whole column, conditional formatting. You can see here color scales and we choose this one. This adds gradient color. Red shows low marks, yellow shows medium, and green shows high marks. This makes comparison very easy. Now I am applying data bars. Again, select the whole column, go to conditional formatting, data bars, and this one. You can see bars inside itself. The longer the bar, the higher the comparison. Aisha, that has highest marks, that has the longer bar, 85. Same, that has 90 marks and has a longer bar. And the least one, Priya, who fails, that has a small bar, 38 marks with 38 marks. This helps in a quick comparison. Now I will use icon sets. Again, select the whole column, conditional formatting, icon sets, and you can use any directional shapes, indicator, ratings. I am using arrows. Okay. Excel adds arrows to represent performance. Green arrows means high marks, 85 and 90. Yellow means average, 72 and 60. And red means low marks. You can see 30 and 45. And now the last thing I want to tell you about how to clear rules. You can select any one of them. I am selecting color scales. Go to conditional formatting. Here you can see at the last new rule. Yeah, clear rules. Clear rules from entire sheet or selected cells. I selected the column, so I clear from the selected cells. So you can see the whole columns, the conditional formatting is removed. Today we learned how to use conditional formatting in Excel. We saw how to highlight cells, use color scales, data bars, icon sets. This tool helps us analyze data quickly and professionally. I hope you understand. Thank you so much.